Okay, this is section 7 for problem number 1. And you're still dealing with right triangles. They're just not going to always be located in the first quadrant. They can be located in any of the 4 quadrants. And so the first one says the point on the terminal side of the angle theta in standard position is negative 15/8. That's that point right there. So this is the angle that is formed. And it says find the exact value of each of the 6 trigonometric functions. Well, basically you have to find, this is the angle, but this is its reference angle. So the trig values will be based off of the reference angle right here. There would be the same for the angle. So this is the reference angle that you would want. And your dimensions here. From here to here is 15 units. And from right here up to here is 8 units. And if you come over here and you find the radius or the hypotenuse, you can plug in and work through it and you'll get 17. So what really happens? Adjacent is negative 15, opposite is 8, and hypotenuse is 17. And you can use those, or you can use as x, y's, and r. Either way will work. If you use x, y, and r, your x is negative 15, your y is 8, and your r is 17. Okay, sine is y over r. So if you look up at the actual triangle here, remember your y was 8 and your r was 17. So your sine would be 8 over 17. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, or x over r, would be negative 15 over 17. And for tangent is y over x. Y is 8 and x is negative 15, so it'd be negative 8/15. Then you can use the reciprocal properties. Cosecant, remember, is sine's reciprocal, so that would be 17 over 8. Secant is cosine's reciprocal, negative 17 over 15. Cotangent and tangent are also reciprocal, so it would be negative 15 over 8. Once you create the angles, it's pretty easy. Remember the definitions of your trig functions, whether you're using x, y, and r, or opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. Remember the reciprocal functions, Pythagorean theorem, and always double check that if what quadrant they are located in, the plus or minus signs, unless you're in the first quadrant.